Well, dear students, 10th group, JSS English High School, Bijaypura, Karnataka. Before going to start today's lesson, continuity part, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, follow the board, Unit 4, today's date 2011-2020, Pros Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and obviously Unit 4, concept you know already, that is National Visionary, and our learning points will be, that is check through the your comprehension, check your understanding and share your responses after reading the paragraph. Before going to start the lesson, there is one announcement for you. 10th board, SSLC board students, please follow it sincerely. I have written on the board also, same attachment, full 10th group you will get it, and I suggest you, I request you, talk personally with your mother and father regarding this. Exam fee 200 rupees, it doesn't matter. For your future, you will get the scholarship. You are all bright students. I want to see that you are all becoming more and more bright. So encourage yourself, your society, your parents. Take 200 and come to the school. SC/ST category will be only 50 rupees, 50. And for exam fee, 200 rupees. For what purpose? SSLC National Talent Search Examination Entrance Exam 2020 to 21. Now, photo you need 3 photo. Attachment copy already school sent you. Read it properly. Sit with your mother and father. Make them convinced. It is your life. If you fail to convince after coronavirus to your parents, then you will be in a big well. So please think about your future. It is your future. You have to make your platform. So please be serious about this matter. I want to see my full 10th group SSLC from JSS English High School. You are going to see it in January. Date of examination written here. Attachment paper you will get it. 24/1 means 24 January, 24 Jan 2021, that one your 2021, 24th January 2021 examination. Immediately after getting today attachment, come and meet our headmaster sir. He is always available throughout the duty schedule in the school premise. You please come, talk with sir, take sir's guideline, follow it. And general candidate 200 rupees exam fee, SC/ST only 50 rupees. Category you see, photo you have to bring 3 photo. Aadhaar card xerox, bank passbook xerox, income and caste certificate. Income certificate of your dad or mom and your caste certificate. If generally any other inquiries regarding this, don't waste your time after getting today attachment. All 10th boys and girls, please come tomorrow, sure shot. Don't wait for Sunday and Monday and all. And immediately talk with headmaster sir and submit your exam fee 200 and SC/ST your fee is only 50. So I think I may able to convince you. You will convince your parents because it is your life. If you get the scholarship, you fail to understand that you have lots of problem regarding financial matter and all, it will be demolished. So what the Karnataka state in India giving you the facilities, try to achieve it. And you are all golden children, try to become diamond in your life. So thank you very much. Thanks to your parents also. Try to convince your parents regarding this and please move forward. Step forward and make your life successful by getting this scholarship. I am damn sure that you will get the scholarship if you become a little bit sincere. So dear students, it is my part I have done for you. Now your part, you will sit with your parents and convince them. Alright, God bless you to get the scholarship. Next one you see, let's start today's part. 10th group, get ready with your English textbook, attachment papers, notebook, sit with a pencil in your hand. Page 72. Page 72, check your understanding. Nehru chose Ambedkar as for 3 reasons. What are they? Paragraph 7. So page 71, para 7. Jawaharlal Nehru chose Dr. Ambedkar to be the first law minister of independent India. This was a recognition of Dr. Ambedkar's skills in the field of law and legislation, as also a tribute to his vision of social justice, a vision which was sought to be infused into the new Indian polity. But above all, this was a tribute to the success of Baba Saheb Dr. Ambedkar's own campaigns against social injustice. Are you aware of the facilities provided by the Social Welfare Department? Mention any two. Now this one you see, follow page number 71, paragraph 8. Here you see, in the 4 decades and more since independence, much progress has been achieved in providing equality of opportunities, chances to the people. Members of the scheduled caste find doors which had been closed to them for centuries being opened. No legal bars exist today for self-expression or self-advancement. They are enrolling themselves in institutes of higher learning and entering public services. So now, next point, come to the point. After independence, members of the scheduled caste have found doors open to them. How? Page number 71, paragraph number 8. Follow it, 10th group, sincerely. Keep on reading, para 8, page 71. See, they are enrolling themselves. They means this all depressed classes, scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. What happened? They are enrolling themselves in institutes of higher learning and entering public services. They have come to occupy high learning. They are officers of states. They are becoming both at the center and in the states. Judges, ambassadors and governors have been drawn from their ranks, and they have acquitted themselves creditably in all those positions of responsibility. So for Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, depressed classes, they get one nice platform. They also got the same opportunities like other citizens of India. Now next one you see, all people should be given equal opportunities. Page 72, question 4. To prove themselves. How are the members of the scheduled caste proving themselves? Page number 71, paragraph 8. They have come to occupy high offices of state, both at the center and in the states. Judges, ambassadors and governors have been drawn from their rank, and they have acquitted themselves creditably in all these positions of responsibility. Next one, page 72. See, share your responses, page 72. Question 5. Baba Saheb Ambedkar considers public education in free India as unconstitutional. Why? Page 71, paragraph number, you see, find out this one here. Page 72, paragraph 10, turn over, paragraph 72, top part, and start from page 71, that one here. 10th paragraph. Baba Saheb Ambedkar always stressed the importance of constitutional methods to achieve social objectives. In an interesting observation, he once described the methods of civil disobedience, non-cooperation and satyagraha as the grammar of anarchy. The observation assumes importance in the context of public education in free India. It is one thing to utilize these methods in a struggle against an allied power, any foreign power. The right to rebellion is recognized against a government without people's consent, be it allied or national dictatorship. Maybe foreign power like East India Company's power, or maybe India government power, whatever it is, as per law, you should know the right to rebellion. is recognized against the government without people's consent, be it allied, foreign power or national dictatorship inside India, state or India government, central government, whatever it is, but not in a democracy based on free and fair elections. Misdirected and volatile. Such educations invariably result in the loss of lives and public property. If you know correct law and order, and if you read the constitution well, you will get all the plus, all the minus, positive, negative, both the corner. So, such educations invariably result in the loss of lives and public property. You should be careful about public property and your own lives also. So, you should be very much responsible, sincere, serious about this grammar of anarchy. It is little bit, I think, you have to read, keep on reading, make yourself comprehend, you understand. If any doubt or anything, you can ask me coming in the school premise. Make your own notes, etc., etc. Because these are all the comprehensive questions according to paragraph wise. I will dictate, and you have to mark. And textbook reading is very important with your all attachment. Thank you very much. 10th class. Goodbye.